Yo, what is going on, guys? And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to macro and bee swarm simulator. Anyways, let's get right into it. Alright guys, so if you click the first link in the description of this video, it'll take you over to a GitHub page. And basically from here, you're going to be brought over in this section. And you're just going to want to scroll down here over to this area where it just says latest release. And you just want to go ahead and click on this blue button right there. And you're going to want to scroll down a little bit and you'll see this first zip file right here with that little box around it. You're going to want to go ahead and click that. Whoops, sorry about that. Just click that and it should start downloading it up here just like so. Alright guys, now from here, you're going to want to go ahead and extract the file. So just click either this button, extract all, or if you do have WinRAR, you can extract it with this as well. But just clicking this button is a lot easier. Just click extract and it's going to go ahead and copy the files over to a different folder just like so. Double click on this, double click again. And when you see you're going to want to go over to start and you're just going to double click on start as well. It's going to give you this warning. It is completely safe to run. So just go ahead and click run just like that. It's going to pop up a tab just like this. And now from here, I'm just basically going to show you how to set it up in bee swarm. But yeah. All right, guys. Now from here, as you are in Roblox, you're going to want to make your way over to settings. And basically, you're going to want to turn it off full screen, untab it kind of, and have it like in a tab sort of like this. You're going to want to move the macro over to the other side, just like so. And from here, I'm just going to kind of show you the settings that you want to be running for this macro. So for the hive slot, this is kind of how this hives look. So you have the first hive, second hive, third hive, fourth, fifth, and sixth. It's kind of exactly how it looks in here. But because I'm hive 1, I'm going to go down over to hive 1 here. And my hive has how many bees? You have to go take a look at how many bees. I have 41 bees. So I'm going to switch this to 41. And for walking speed or movement speed, sorry, you're going to want to go over to settings and movement speed should be right here. Now, you want to make sure you do not have haste on. So I do have haste. So I'm going to wait a couple seconds here and it should go away. And then it'll kind of show the exact speed that I have. All right, guys. And just like that, all my movement speed is gone. And it says I have 32.2. So you want to go ahead and type in 32.2 or whatever yours is, sorry. And from there, you're going to want to make the sprinkler type, the type of sprinklers that you are running. So I'm using golden, so I'm going to switch it over to golden. And now for fallback to public server, basically, if you're in a private server or something like that, if this setting turned on, it'll move you over to a public server if the macro does somehow crash, something like that. And you'll just keep farming in a public server if you do have this checked off. But again, you can use your private server link. So if you do have a link from Roblox of your private server, just make sure to type it in here if you do want to do that. But yeah, this is kind of going to be all these settings from here. All right, guys. And now if you do want to kind of have certain settings on, like boost, stuff like that, I would recommend searching up different settings. There's a ton of like settings on this macro on YouTube. So I'm not really going in depth on that today, but make sure to search that up if you do kind of want to look over that. But for now, I'm just going to pick a random field. I'll just go with mushroom here. It's going to kind of autofill in settings. Like I said, though, just search up the best settings that you believe could work from some other guys showing guides. But we're just going to test this out and I'll show you that it kind of works. So I'm going to go ahead and click F1 here. And it's going to reset my character. It's going to kind of bring me back over to my hive. And then it's going to walk me over to the mushroom field. And then it's going to start just farming over there. So you will see that working in a second. I believe, yeah, it's going to reset one more time. And then it is going to start walking over there. Now, normally it does take the cannon as well up for certain fields. But just because it's the mushroom field, it is going to walk over there. So it's going to kind of do its thing. It's going to think that it needs to go over the cannon. And then it's going to start walking over to mushroom field just like so. And it's going to go ahead and place down all your sprinklers. Now, it doesn't always go in this spot either. There's always different spots as well. But you just got to have to switch the settings if you want different spots. But as you can see, just like so, it's just going to start farming here. Pretty simply. My hands aren't even on my keyboard. I mean, like, it's just doing it for me. So, yeah. I mean, this is just going to be the macro as a whole. But yeah. All right, guys, that's going to be how to macro and bee swarm simulator. Let me know down in the comments if this did help you out. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. I really would appreciate it. But yeah, peace out.